In Massachusetts, for example, cultivators are required to investigate demand reductions. And so I just would like to touch on what are some common demand reductions that are feasible, and the ones that utilities are interested in working with cultivators to investigate.
Sure. I mean, your two biggest opportunities for demand reduction really come in the operation of the facility and how you run your flower rooms, essentially. If you run all your flower rooms at the same time, you're going to basically incur the largest demand that facility could possibly incur. And along with that, you're going to pay your highest, peak demand charges. If you run a balance of flower rooms, half on, half off, you can really flatten the load curve of your facility and do a lot better on your demand rate as well. So that's sort of an operational thing. It definitely has implications relative to HVAC, but isn't an HVAC equipment decision. The second real biggest opportunity that, again, is not really relevant to today's conversation is lighting. Lighting being just such a large component of the demand of a facility. On the HVAC side, though, there are still a lot of things that can be done. Properly sizing the system is really important. Oversizing the system when it fires up, you're going to get more inrush current than is necessarily to deal with those loads. You're going to be paying more for your demand on that side of things. Variable frequency drives, again, can reduce demand, soft start capability, things of this nature. And honestly, it's one of the most important things to do, which is so simple, is just understand your electric bill. Understand how you're being charged, if there are operational changes that you can make, and if you're even on the right rate schedule. It's not uncommon that we find people aren't even on the right rate schedule for what their actual energy usage is.